Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to change resolution scaling method on Speed Freaks from Warhammer. Firstly, you should open Settings. To do that, click on the gear icon and click Settings. Then just find resolution scaling method. Here we have really different methods. So resolution scaling method determines how the game internal resolution is scaled to match the display. So for example, native resolution without anti-aliasing. TAAU, it's temporal anti-aliasing upsample, fast scaling method, and I recommend you to use this method. Of course, you can use TSR, it's temporal super resolution, a high quality of scaling method, more expensive than TAAU, but produces a comparable result at slower resolution scaling and reduces unwanted artifacts. So it's sometimes a very good idea to use it, but if you have very powerful graphic card. If you want to use this mode, so you just should click space button to save changes and then click escape to go back to the lobby. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!